Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Student, last lecture we learned chapter number 2 head and body section part 1. In part 1 I taught you section of HTML document, title of HTML document, meta tags and their features, as well as I shown you practical of a meta tag and how to set background image, text color, background color using HTML. Now, in this session, we are going to learn horizontal line, formatting character, special character and font text. So let's start students. Our first topic is horizontal line. To draw horizontal line in a web page, we have to use HR tag. That is, we can say it's a horizontal line tag. Second point, BR, HR tag are null element. Yeah, okay. BR, HR tag are null element. Student, it's called null element. The reason is it does not have opening and closing tag. That's why it's called null element. To separate the text into two parts, we are using HR tag. The full form of HR tag is horizontal line. Now, here, let's see the practical. So you will understand how to use horizontal line tag in HTML. So go to the new notepad file option. Okay. Now, here I am writing the code. HTML tag open. HTML tag close. Body tag, head tag open first. Head tag close. Title tag open. And title tag I am writing here horizontal line. And I have to close here title tag. After that I am opening here body tag. Inside the body tag I have to use suppose HR tag. So how to use, I am writing here this line is broken in 3 parts. Okay, this is a single line. And student, I will show you the single line and after that how it will be break. So first I will save this practical by name hr.html. HR means horizontal line. So I save it and I will run it. So you can see here this line is broken in 3 parts, but here you can see only one line. Now by using HR, what we can change? So here I'm writing HR tag and the same tag I am copying. This is first horizontal line. After that I am copying here second. After that I am copying here third, and after that, so this horizontal line is I copied 3 times, means we divided this single line into the 3 parts. Here I close body tag. Now let's see how is it working. I save this code and I run it. So you can see here the single line is divided into the 3 parts. Along with HR, we are going to use the 5 attributes. The attributes name are size, color, width, align, no shade. So how to use these attributes? I will show you one more practical. Here Inside the body tag, I remove this code first, and I am writing here HR size equal to 5. This is the size of the line which defines the thickness of the line. You can write here 3, 5, 10 as per your wish how much thickness you want. Second is width. Width equal to, I am writing here 50%. It's defined the length of the line. The length can also be defined in percentage of the width of the browser window. The default value of the width is 100%. So it will cover the 50% portion of the browser window. After that, I am right here align equal to right. So right side it will come. So it define the alignment. The alignment, it means you want that horizontal line right side, left side or center. So for that I use here align equal to right. Now I'm using a color equal to, don't write here color spelling COLOUR. The color spelling should be COLOR. The color equal to red, and after that I am writing here no shade. No shade display a solid plain line instead of shaded line. So that's why I use here no shade. I save this and I run again to see the output. So student, you can see here the it display the horizontal rule of size 5 pixel that uses only for 50% of the screen size and is aligned to the right side of the screen. So you understood how it's coming? Okay. Now, our next topic is formatting characters. In HTML, text can be written in bold, italic and underline format. So, character and text written using two types of tags. That's a physical style tag and logical style tag. Now, what is physical style tag? To display, this is physical style tag. To display a text or character in a required manner, physical style tag is used, which browser will follow and publishing the content in the same manner. There are few physical tags like bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, stripe and teletyping. Students, these all physical tags we learn in the first chapter practical. I shown you practical also how to use bold tag, italic tag, underline tag, superscript tag, subscript tag, stripe and teletyping. So these are called physical style tag. Now our second is logical style tag. Now which are the logical style tag? So in HTML, logical style tag is used for what to execute as per the output a user want following logical style tag. So the first one is the definition, to publish the text content in the defined fashion. So here also I will explain one example students so you will understand it easily. There are total 5 logical style tag: DFN, emphasize, sitting, then code and strong. These are logical style tag. So here I will explain one practical. I open the same screen again, and the body portion I will remove this line between the body tag, and here I am writing emphasize tag. First I will show EM computer with, here I close emphasize tag and I break the line, and here I am using strong Shailesh sir, and here I close strong tag. Okay, let's see how this logical style tag is working. I save this practical. I will run from Google Chrome browser. How the data coming? Let's see. So you can see here, this is your emphasize tag and this is your strong tag, which are known as logical style tag. Okay, so our next topic is font tag and special character. Let's continue. Font tag and special character. To arranging the text in a different style and size, font tag is used. So with its use, font type, size, color, etc. can be set. To decide the font type, face attribute is used. Whenever we want to decide the font type, we are using face attribute. To decide the font size, attribute is used. And to decide the font color, color attribute is used. So these are the attributes. How to use it? Let's take one example, student. So again, I will explain here one example practically. I delete this code and I'm writing here in paragraph tag open, paragraph tag close. Inside that I'm writing font color equal to red, font color equal to red, and here I'm writing India is great, and I close your font tag. After that, again I open the paragraph tag, font color equal to blue, and here I am writing I love my India, and here I close the font tag, and here I close paragraph. Okay, now I save this. Let's see how is it working. So student, you can see here the font color is changed. Okay, so how to use font color, you understood? Okay, now next, if you want to change the font size and font face, how to do it? We will again modify this program. We will write here size equal to double quote 30 and face equal to Jokerman, and here also I'm writing size equal to 50 and face equal to Vardhana. Okay, I save this program and I check it. So you can see here the font face is Jokerman, the size of the font is 50. 30. The second, the font face is Vardhana and the size of the font is 50. You can see here, student. I hope you understood this practical. Now, next is the special character. Now, what is special character? In web page, less than and copyright etc. symbol can be used for a special character. In web page, along with special symbol, use as a prefix. Instead of such symbolic code, we can also give the ASCII value for the symbol. Okay. Now I will show you here practical of special character, so you will understand it easily how to use special character. So again I delete this thing, and here I am writing paragraph align equal to center and LT. LT means less than tag. Computer with Shailesh Rahan and GT. And here I close paragraph. I save this program. Just wait a minute. Okay, here I have to close first paragraph tag and LT and GT. So and less than and greater than. So you can see here the prefix. I have to use here less than, but before that I have to use the prefix and here greater than. So it's coming in less than, greater than, between. The name is coming between the less than and greater than. So this is called special symbol, student. Understood? Okay. So here our chapter number 2 is completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number 9898 073749. Thank you, students.